When using the machine for the first time, pull the emergency switch upwards. If the sealing point of your bag is at a distance from the edge of the bag, you can adjust this distance by regulating the bag feeding plate. Install the bag feeding plate to the machine. You can adjust the position of the bag feeding plate according to the different depths of the bag's sealing area to seal the bags. The machine can be pulled out to the desired width by rotating the two knobs below the machine. Turn on the switch, the heating and cooling keys in turn. After pressing the set key, the screen next to SV starts flashing. You can press the left arrow key to set the temperature at the corresponding position, and use the up, down arrow keys to adjust the temperature value. After setting the temperature, the number on the electronic screen next to PV will gradually rise to the set temperature and then stop increasing. The black knob can adjust the speed of conveying bags. The counter can count the number of sealed bags. The reset key can reset the number to 0. If you press the emergency switch, the machine will stop immediately. To restart, remember to rotate the emergency switch to release it.